might be a little thing, my hair is crazy again today. Might be a little thing to some of you, but to me it's a big thing because as a person with chronic pain and a hard time doing physical things, I am getting a few things done today, of course with lots of breaks, but I had to get up early, go get some testing done, some blood tests. So I came right home and it's a beautiful sunny day. Again, this is two. We get 2 days. So I'm taking full advantage. I spent a lot of time outside yesterday and I didn't bring my phone with me to take videos. So I'm going to show you what I've been working on and what I've gotten done so far around the house, outside. There's the peppers. So I have been working on my little garden, and this is how far I've gotten with my little plants. Sort of experimental. This is my first year here, playing around with stuff I had around free. I have some seeds in here, sort of trying to create a greenhouse with the plastic. So I just reuse whatever plastic bags I've had and put over to protect the plants so they don't get eaten or overwatered. But I got some growing little apple trees. So I have some of these pots are self-watering. You saw my previous video about how I cut these containers in half and made self-watering containers. Go check that out. We got little seeds growing here. This is so exciting for me because I'm not a good gardener, I'll admit. So, little seedlings. Try to keep them covered, but I try to make sure they have the right amount of water. And now I'm working on these cans here, and I bought this little shelf to put up here, and so I'm putting them all up here. I want to do something different with the covers though. And those are water bottles that are supposed to be self-watering also. And they have little sprouts. They're all apple seeds. I'm just playing around to see what survives. I don't really know the growing climate here. I'm from California. And here I'm cutting the holes. I use this knife and I just can't hold on to them with one hand especially. So you can see how I've used the knife and a hammer and I put the hole in there. So, and there we have it. I put holes in all those containers so they drain. And now I'll be filling them with little plants. Yeah. I have to go take care of this little plant. It's not doing too well.